Yeah, right, guys, up the plot, building the second of the VegTrugs and just having a general chit chat as I get a few things planted. Enjoy. I think that's just about it. All the beds built. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 metal ones and these 2 VegTrugs. These were on offer in Costco at the end of last year. I think they were something like a third off or something. And these are the ones, the kit ones with the cover as well. Not going to put those on just yet. I might wait till we got a frost forecast. So I don't want to overcook the strawberries, you know what I mean? So I'm putting strawberries in this one. And the companion plants for strawberries, there's quite a few actually. But I'm going to do onions because I've got a lot of onions. I've got too many onions. Yeah, lettuce, dill, quite a few herbs. So I might put marigolds as well. So I might put a few marigolds in as well. We'll see. Right, these strawberries. Now, I should have. That's 14, isn't it? Oh, we'll see. I'll work it out in a minute. These are Pegasus. Strawberry Pegasus. No idea what season they are. So I'll just fill this up. We got let me think now. I got soil from that waste heap over there in the bottom. A little bit of manure, just half a wheelbarrow full in the very bottom. Topped it up with just Miracle Grow. This is from Tesco. 2 bags for 50. Oh, I can't. 2 bags for £9.50. And I've just put it in. And I'll show you this on the screen later. Piece of green glass just lying on the top of it. So be careful. See, so I'm trying to work this out now. 14 don't work, does it? So it's 2 7s, 4 3s and a 2, 3 4s and a 2, 3 4s. No, 3 3. I'll just dump them in anywhere. I'm bored with that already. Right in. These were from Thompson and Morgan, I believe. A while back now. They've been outside for ages now. They've been outside all the time actually. A runner on that one. It's a good thing with these container-wise trays is you can put your finger in the bottom and poke them out. Apart from the very small one, that's the 40 cell Charles Dowden one. It's a little bit too small at the bottom. You can't get your finger in. And the other thing wrong with that one as well is it doesn't fit in a seed tray. I don't know if you noticed, I've had this one in a seed. I don't know if you noticed, I've had this one in a seed tray for ease of watering, and the 40 ones don't fit. Weird, isn't it? I'll tell you what, I'll put 12 in here and I'll work out something else with the rest. They're going to like this new compost anyway. Oh, here we go, stuck again. Oh, I'm going to have to watch this, aren't I? I'm going to lose my microphone. Oh, we got 1 left over, not 2. I don't work that out then. Oh, I don't know. Take the small one home then. Just make sure it is Pegasus. Yeah. Oh, God. I'm going to have to start wearing a proper lav mic around here. And the bigger one, take the other one home. Look. Lovely. Cool, that can come home with me then. Right then. And the onions I've got, where are they? If they were on the end of my face, I wouldn't see them. I'll leave them over here to do it. These are Elsa Craig. And these have been sown early January. And they're fine. As long as you keep feeding them, they'll stay root bound for quite a while. Cherry picking the best ones. I'll leave a couple doubled up. Not that one though. I'm getting a bit bored with this now. So what I'll do. Turn it round. That's better. There we are then. No, I don't want to put any more in. I've got enough to take home now as well. So. Okay then, every time I come up the plot, as you know, I condition the bales, and I'm on the large beds and the single bales now. Day 6 on the large beds, day 4 on the single bales, which I've timed so they're all matched up to either feeding or watering. I'll probably give the bales a miss tomorrow, as it's my next door neighbour, Blossom. It's her 90th birthday, and she's having a little shindig down the town hall sort of thing. So I'll pop down there. May come up here, depends how long I last. On with the watering of the strawberries and onions. Just a quick drenching. The compost and the pots themselves were wet enough already. Right then, let's get this gallows done. And there'll be more of the gallows to come in a future video. Right guys, just putting on some of these cucumbers in the Jiffy 7s. God, they've grown a bit. I'm doing, well, silver slicer to start off with. You ain't going to see much of this, I'm afraid. But, dead easy really. That's what I like about these Jiffy 7s. There's no pricking out as such, that's it. Poke it in, top it up, and because they're for sale they get a label. Here we are. So I'll tell you what to do, put those there for now, and stick them in the water bath in a minute. That'll be Danny. Silver slicer. I think I got 5 of these, yeah, 4 of these. Making the most of it because it's supposed to rain tonight. A little bit, not much, a little bit. Right, let's go and find a trough to put them in. I just had to tidy up and I can't find a blooming thing. There we go. Just back from just back from Blossom's 90th birthday party. Oh, crikey. Loads of people there. There we are. That's 4 of them. I think that's it, isn't it? Yeah. And we got 3 of these experimental 7082. So let's see what they're like. Oh, 4. That one's come out the side of the jiffy, look, I didn't see it. Change the label on that one. I suppose I should turn this around so you can see what I'm doing, but don't want to upset the carnivores, you know. You notice I got some wasabi in there. They like it wet as well, so they're in the same tray, I suppose it is, yeah. Alright guys, well I'm just going to do these rest of these cucumbers and get on with some sowing. Need to get on with some sowing. Take care guys, and I'll catch you on the next video.